This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Nancy Badord. Great 3-bedroom 2-bath home features very nice eat-in kitchen, large living room, family room, laundry plus an enclosed front porch that is being remodeled right now. There is a carport plus a small garage and a large oversized garage. The oversized garage is currently rented to another business. Home has a lot of updates. The large oversized is rented through December 31, 2022. For more information, review the details below.